Hey Shaolin monks, it's time for another movement review. Today's workout is Death by Cossack squats. This is Coach Dave, we've got Coach Jake, Coach Zach, and for Death by Cossack squats we have one movement, so we're gonna get right to it. Now Coach Zach is going to demonstrate the beginner scaling for Cossack squats, so in order to get in position, make sure you get those feet outside the shoulders. Once you have established that and you can touch the ground, that's gonna be your stance. And for beginners, we really recommend for this scaling to just keep the range of motion a little bit less than going all the way down. Don't worry about going all the way down on these, especially if you have knee issues or anything like that, or if you've never done Cossack squats before, we want to ease into this. This is an advanced type of squat that's going to really open up those hips. So as you can see, Coach Zach is moving side to side on these Cossack squats. When you drive to one side, you're pushing your hips to one side and you're driving it to the other side, and you'll notice that the toes come up on the opposite side that you're driving towards. You could place your hands into a namaste if you would like, or anywhere around the chest to keep your balance. Make sure that chest is remaining upright the entire time, and we don't want to feel this on the lower back, so make sure you're loading those legs. And it's all about that hinge to make sure that we're loading the legs and not the lower back. Now if we look over here to Coach Jake, he's going to demonstrate the RX version of this, and you notice the depth on this. Now it's really, really important that we keep the hips low all the way through each transition through the movement. You're driving through one leg and pushing yourself to the other side while remaining low with the hips. Try not to pop up with those hips as you're going left to right, right to left on these. So very nice, keeping the chest nice and high. This is pretty much it for the Cossack squats. As I mentioned, if you have knee issues, just pull the range back a little bit. Don't fight through the pain. You want to feel this in the muscles, not the joints. Very good. We're going to go ahead and give you over to Coach Zach for the WOD briefing and strategy. Good luck, everybody.
What's up, guys? This is Coach Zach from Radiance. It's time for the WOD briefing and strategy. Today's workout is Death by Cossack squats. Death by Cossack squats will be following the Death by format. Every minute is a round. 1 rep equals 1 Cossack squat to the left and 1 Cossack squat to the right. The first round you do 1 rep, the second round you do 2 reps, the third round you do 3 reps, and so on until you cannot finish the round. Your score will be completed rounds plus completed reps on the incomplete round. For example, if you complete 19 rounds and only 17 reps on the 20th round, your score is 19 plus 17. Make sense? Alright. The WOD is self-scaling in terms of volume, so do your best to get as far as you can. Tips for success. There will be plenty of rest at the beginning of the workout, so make sure to stretch and mobilize to get you as far as you can. Alright, that's the WOD briefing and strategy. Let's get it done. Good luck, everybody.